Hello guys, welcome to my channel how to fix Windows update failed for the C error code. Okay, then step by step follow to solve this problem. Go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Go to click to the search bar, search the troubleshoot settings. You will click to open. You will see the other troubleshoots. You will see the Windows update. You will click to run to get fixed. Okay. This is the any error showing to you will print the command. I will tell more methods. Okay. Maximum I will tell this methods to follow to solve this problem. Okay. Go to the second step or get live with CMD. You will search to I will provide this two commands for this video description. You will copy to paste there. Okay. Uh, First command I will copy to go to click to the search bar, search the CMD, then click to the run administrator. Yes, you will press the control plus V to you will paste. Click to enter. Wait for the few minutes for verification 100% completed. So you will copy to paste the second comment. Okay, this is just slowly running. Then I will go to the third step for change the Windows update automatic in services. Go to click to the search bar, search the services. You will scroll down for see the Windows update, then right click to properties. You see the startup type for automatic. You will change the automatic to services status for. You click to the start to. This is the automatically running. Okay, change it. These two methods for service. Change it to you will click to the apply, click to OK. Then finally, you will click to the Windows icon, get restart your PC or laptop to this problem is for solve it. After you will go to search the settings to check to the Windows update. You will click to the recent updates to you will get download the Windows update pendings. Okay. Then anyone doubt to print the comment, then thank you for watching.